Good morning from Gap, Sri Lanka. We are leaving Yala this morning and we're heading down to Yala National Park. On the way, I think we're going to go explore a waterfall and maybe a temple as well. So come with us and we'll go check out some of Sri Lanka. This is the view behind me though, it's very beautiful. Anyway, let's explore. It's fun. I don't think it'll reach like it. Check out all the veggies in here. Massively loaded. So we just got to the waterfall and this is the low season at the moment. Apparently where we were on that platform before, you can't stand there during the rainy season because the water is just piling on down. We're about to head down into the waterfall a little bit and check it out. Test the water. Ooh, it's fresh, isn't it? It's lovely. You want to go there? Okay. Only here. Oh, ah, it's beautiful. Check this out. Well, that was a cool little side quest. We got told we weren't allowed to go into the water though, so it was very short-lived, but it's very nice going to see the waterfall from that side as well. We've made an extra stop on the way to Yala. I think we're at a treacle factory or something to do with that at least. We're about to check it all out. Whatever this is boiling. It's super hot. The ground is also super sticky as well. Hard to tell probably on camera, but my feet are sticking quite a lot to the ground. You can see here they're extracting the juices out of what kind of looks like sugar cane, but it might be something else. They're using this machine here and extracting the juice out of it. Looks like after they extract the juices as well, it runs through this pipe. You can see the pipe that runs down here and heads over here to where the boiling area is. Because you can see it all pouring into here. Down there. And then it heads into that boiling section just there. It's a very interesting operation, but it seems like that's what they're doing. I'm not sure what they do with it after that, but that's as far as I've got. It looks like after that. I know! It smells good. It's very good. And I think like it looks like they put it into these buckets. Not quite sure. That might just be the condensation of the boiling. These machines that they're using as well, they seem quite old. Got a bit of a pulley system attached to a bit of like a motor over here. The actual machine itself seems quite old. Yeah, it's not like what you would say is modern manufacturing. Like this is a lot of hard labour that they're doing to produce this treacle. Now we're entering the other part of the factory where they put the treacle into like little moulds and stuff. So on this side it looks like they cook it, boil it again, and then pour it into the moulds, and then like once it's set, pretty much pop it out. Thank you. Yum. Smash. Yeah, that is a smash. It's like fudge. Tastes very good, very sweet. It's like a bit of like a caramel nearly. These are the finished products, all packaged up in a 5 kilo bag. I do recall seeing this like at the bakery the other day. Quite a big bag of this stuff. Also got the smaller bags of 250 grams as well. We made a stop on our way to Yala National Park and we've stopped here, which is absolutely beautiful. But I don't know if you can see in the trees here, but there's like hundreds of bats just hanging in the trees. There's so many of them. Heading to the bakery for lunch. Let's see what we can find. Probably not your normal meat pies like you can in Australia, but I'm sure they've got some nice cakes. Pretty cheap actually. 1,800 for a whole cake. Just made a whole bunch? Yeah. Oh, some cakes. Yeah. That can't be the whole thing. These cakes are quite cheap. This is about $9 Australian for this. Very good. This one here is like $1.50. Cake is very affordable here. I love it.
5, 6 is same.
Oh, all the same? Is it chicken or is it?
Yeah, chicken and cheese.
Oh, chicken and cheese. Yeah, I'll get one of those, please.
Okay.
And then also one of the chocolate icing cake as well, please. Thank you. I got this pizza here, which is chicken and cheese. And then I also got some chocolate icing cake over here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye. Alright, we've got my lunch. I think we're going to eat on the bus, so just got to find the bus because they've gone without me. Just counted my change, and that pizza slice and cake cost me 400 rupees, which is about $2 Australian. So pretty good lunch, pretty cheap, so I'm not complaining with that. Thanks. Alright, we've arrived at the hotel we're staying at tonight. I think we're getting greeted with flowers. Hello. Thank you. Oh, how beautiful is this one? Has a nice lovely smell as well. I think we're gonna go have our lunch now. This hotel looks stunning. This is the pool. They've got the pool and then there's a few like swings over here as well. You can swing out by the lake. Can't wait to dip into that later. Given us a welcome drink as well. We've got a nice tea here. It smells delicious. That is a beautiful drink. Probably one of the best drinks I've had since being in Sri Lanka. Alright, we're just about to head out on a safari. I think we might be able to see some elephants and some crocodiles, maybe some leopards. Very much looking forward to that. Might not be able to see it on camera, but we've spotted our first crocodile. It is just in there. I'll try and zoom in on that a little bit, but it's very blended in. It just looks like a piece of dirt, to be honest.
Yeah. Water coming through. Just there. On that side. There he is.
Oh, yeah.
I found a little cute birdie. Oh. I missed you.
That was good fun.
I hope I got that. Oh. Just spotted some water buffalo just over here, having a nice afternoon swim. Spotted an elephant. He's just hiding behind this bush here. Exciting up here because we're all fagging it. I have no idea why. I've got no idea. Oh, Grace. I've got no idea. We'll keep you updated on what's so interesting that we have to fag it. Actually, I reckon it's nothing. Update, we've all stopped.
Traffic now. It's not ideal. My leopard view.
Is it a leopard? Okay, apparently it's a leopard. Update. We didn't see a leopard. Neither did pretty much anybody else because we asked the other people if they had seen anything. Apparently there was one around, but no sign of it, unfortunately, so we'll continue our search for the leopard. We haven't seen much yet. No leopards, unfortunately. Only about 3 crocodiles, 2 elephants, a couple of peacocks and some water buffalo, but at the moment we're looking at this bird in its nest. in here. It's very cool. Just dropped all the other birds' nests. So this might be a good time to say that that was a little bit of a bust. We did see some nice wildlife, but probably not as much as we were expecting. But I guess that's what you have with wildlife. Sometimes you're going to have the good days and sometimes you're going to have the bad days, and I think we just maybe had a bad day when it came to that. That was so deep. Anyway, we're about to head back to the hotel and have some dinner, maybe go for a dip in the pool, depending on the time. At the very least, might suss the tyre swing that they had by the lake.